At least for, I'd say, a handful of you, you've seen a shower today. That at least gives you a little bit of relief, but these are not long-lasting showers. These are small downpours that kind of cool you off for about 10 minutes, and then you're done. You're back to the heat. Here is where one of those downpours is right now. This is in Hale County along Highway 60. This is a very small pocket of rain showing up from our first warning live radar. This is just to the west of Havana. Through the rest of the evening, eventually those heat levels will come down, but we're still only cooling into the mid 70s by early tomorrow morning. We'll start the day humid. By lunchtime tomorrow, we are getting close to 90 degrees. If you're going to be out and about, make sure you've got that sunscreen with you. Tomorrow is going to feel like the triple digits, not feeling quite as hot as today, but still you are going to notice that heat if you're out and about tomorrow. So keep in mind that you want to stay hydrated and you also want to take breaks in the shade. By lunchtime, first warning future track, here's noon. Not much to show you. That means there's going to be a lot of sunshine to heat us up effectively. By 3 p.m., we do start to see some moisture working into central Alabama. That's going to provide us with the chance for a few spotty showers and even a few rumbles of thunder south of I-20. But by 6 p.m., as those continue to drift northward, not many of them left. And so tomorrow's a mainly dry day for us. But rain coverage is going up for Friday and Saturday as tropical moisture streams into our state. That's in relation to what's going on in the Gulf right now. We're basically watching a very disorganized system here. This is our radar and satellite imagery, and that center of kind of that circulation there is moving along the Florida Panhandle. Now it's headed in a westward direction. Regardless, we've already got heavy rain ongoing in southern Mississippi, headed towards Louisiana. Lots of lightning strikes there, and that's going to continue to be the trend as this slowly drifts westward along the coastline in the next day or so. National Hurricane Center still giving this a medium chance of development. We'll watch it. It's pretty disorganized at this point, but if it can kind of get offshore and sit over some of that Gulf water, there is a low chance that maybe it can kind of get its act together and turn into a tropical depression. Regardless, the results are going to be the same. We've got that heavy rain ongoing along the coastline. This is a look towards tomorrow, and notice we still have very heavy rain in Louisiana, but watch what happens with the wind direction on Friday. As that center of circulation moves over Louisiana and starts to kind of pull inland, we start to see more of a southerly flow setup, and that is going to allow that moisture to stream into our state, and that does mean better coverage of some scattered tropical downpours at times on Friday and at times on Saturday. That doesn't mean it rains everywhere all day long either of those days, but a pretty good likelihood that we will have some showers and even some thunderstorms around at times. That helps to bring down our temperature a little bit to near 90 degrees, but man, those humidity values are going to be high, and we are still likely to feel like the triple digits on both Saturday and Sunday.